Millen here from AV King in Brisbane. We have some clients that just need a really low cost portable solution. What you can see here is a speaker mic unit, camera on a tripod, video card via HDMI through a USB hub there, leading back to a single connection to your computer. So we can plug in that USB hub, get our video, audio, etc. And if we start up the meeting here on this computer, as you can see, it only takes a second or so after plugging in for it to start working, and we can join that meeting. And we also have part of that USB hub is this little keyboard, so if you're walking around the room you can use the keyboard itself to control the system. So I just use the mouse click button on this keyboard, and as you can see I'm a fair way away from this microphone now, and it is still picking up all the words that I'm saying quite clearly, well enough to transcribe reasonably accurately. avking.com.au if you'd like a demo of any of this equipment. That package, as I said, is under $500 including the camera. If you want a PTZ camera either on a tripod or mounted to the wall, PTZ cameras like that, which can move around the room, zoom in, etc., do require a USB cable to either your wall-mounted computer or your laptop, and that will add roughly $1,000 to a package like that because the PTZ cameras are a little bit more premium. We also carry a range of other wireless speaker mic units, including the MaxHub BM21, this model, and the new square version, which is about $100 more, the BM35. AV King in Brisbane City. If you'd like to make an appointment to come and see us, we're located in Ann Street.